this video I will show you how to work a treble crochet, which in the US is known as a double crochet. For this sample I'll be using 3.5mm crochet hook and a DK weight yarn such as DMC Happy Cotton. With the hook in your right hand and your work in the left, we'll start by making 3 chains. 2. Wrap the yarn around your hook and insert into the second stitch. Wrap your yarn around the hook again, catch in the loop and pull through the stitch. You now have 3 loops on your hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the first 2. So 2 loops remain. Yarn around the hook and pull through the final 2. So 1 stitch is left on the hook. This is your first treble. So we wrap our yarn around the hook and insert into the stitch. Yarn around the hook again, catch and pull through, so we have 3 stitches. Pull through the first 2, pull through the final 2, so we have 1 loop left. Three stitches on the hook, 2, then 1. And these are your treble crochets.